Now that we've seen how to represent algorithms in a flowchart, we're going to take the next step and take that algorithm in a flowchart and translate it into code so that the computer can actually perform the steps in the algorithm. So the algorithms we learned about were pretty simple. It has a start shape, an output shape, and the end shape. So let's look at our very first algorithm, which was just the start shape going to the end shape. So the way that it works in code is the computer in this case will start at the first line of code. So that's basically our starting point, and the computer will stop running the algorithm when there are no more lines of code. So to represent that simple algorithm, start and end, it's just an empty screen of code. So if I run this now, click on the run button there, that's our very first algorithm. It does nothing. So to make it a little bit more interesting, let's go to the next algorithm we saw, which is about displaying a statement on the screen. So in this example, the algorithm is going to display all birds have feathers. So let's go through the shapes one at a time. The start shape is right at the beginning, so we're there. Now the next shape is the output shape, which says display all birds have feathers. So the way we represent that shape in code is the word display is going to be represented by the print function in Python code, and to tell the computer what to display on the screen, we're going to type in some round brackets, and then between the round brackets, we're going to put some talking marks, and between the talking marks is going to be the piece of text we want to display. So in this case, we're going to say, all birds have feathers. Feathers, like that. And then remember, the algorithm ends when we have no more lines of code. So this is our completed algorithm. So let's check how that works. We're going to click on run, and there is the computer running our algorithm right there. So the next algorithm we're going to look at here is when we have two output steps, and here we're going to display 2 units of measurement. We're going to go through the same process. So we start at the top, and then we're going to display 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. And then after that, we're going to display another sentence which says 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So the first step there is to display 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So we're going to use the same print command there, open the brackets, inside the quotation marks, we're going to type in 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. And then we go to the next box, which is to display the next sentence of 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. And the way we do that is we press enter, and then we type in the next print statement, which is going to say 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. And in our code, there are no more lines of code, so it will also end. So if we run this now, we will see those 2 statements displayed on the screen. And that is a very quick example of how we can take our algorithm, translate it into Python code so that the computer can run the algorithm for us.